molto bene.
End of the line.
The Shockolini alone!
Deal. Call for reinforcements. What's happening to me?
Welcome home, Baby Evie. Watch Baby Evie in the new season of Peppa Pig Tales.
What's that, Evie?
First things to do when you get a new phone.
You do
Part
that.
3.
Yeah.
When your phone gets full, don't buy extra storage. Download
I'm going down! Ah!
You sure showed him. Say your prayers, Sneakerino.
Not on my watch!
Impossible. The ultimate I am in so much pain. You turned me into a monster. Well, time for you to see what this monster can do. This means I am Crocodilo. And this world will feel the same suffering that I have.
There's too
Is
many.
your phone full of memory? Your phone
What do we
keeps
do?
popping up ads that you can't close. Click on the...
Barbar Patapim, you are a real hero. Thanks so much for saving me.
I haven't saved you yet, Shockolini. In there!
What is that?
Bombs. This place won't last much longer. We've got to exit the other side before it caves in and we're crushed to death.
Were those ghosts?
Those were living brain rot critters. The Marmalade village. It's under attack. I'm here to help.
Didn't see that coming, did you? Your brutish minds will do nothing against me, Berber Patapim.
Visit AAPC.com to learn more about the world's
Largest credentialing organization for medical billers and coders.
What you? Not so tough now, huh? I ought to crush you right now.
You underestimate me, Bigfoot.
Barbar! You don't want to see this, Galileo!
Hope you're LFP.
More of these things? No! We let them straight here! Nice work, Bombardiro Corvadiro! You've surpassed our wildest expectations!
Yeah, just one problem with that bird brain. I ain't on your side either.
That was close!
What's John is saying? Basic maneuvers. Get back here.
You saved everyone! But what about the next battle? When that thing returns, I will be useless. I'm an idiota. I must go.
We need you. Don't leave us. What are we supposed to do now, Jojo?
We need to find some way to get back in the fight!
He's just flesh and blood. How's he supposed to fight that monster?
There's gotta be something we can do!
I have an idea.
What do I do? I let everyone down. And now that monster is going to be the end of us all. Little Frogolini? Is that you? Come on, hero crocodile. I can't face him. Not with this. Ouch! Why, you little... You're right. I can't give up. I'm Barbar Patapim, and this is my forest.
No, little Burbaloni. This one goes there. That one goes there.
I hope you know what you're doing, Trollolero.
Of course I do. Well, I think I do. Or at least, I hope I do.
You're not filling me with a lot of confidence here.
Your faith in Barbar Patapim. Without him, this whole land falls apart.
Looking for me? Patapim, you came back!
And just in time, too. Stretch out your arm.
Huh? Well, okay, Shogalini.
Say hello to your new right hand with a few extra capabilities.
Whoa! Thank you! With this, perhaps it can be an even fight.
We'll see about that. Look at you, that fancy club. It's still no match for me.
I wouldn't be so sure about that. Your reign of terror ends here, Bombardero.
I'll get you just like I did before.
You were saying?
Patapim wins! Bravo!
Don't give up your goals just because of rejection. If you doubt yourself, then you need to stand on shaky ground. Take control of your own destiny. Anything worth doing is worth doing well. We'd better struggle for the future rather than regret for the past.
Visit AAPC.com to learn more about the world's
Largest credentialing organization for medical billers and coders.
gamers, collectors, Kojima Productions fans, this is it. The Bolton